This is 25A Oxford Avenue. Now, here's the side of Oxford Avenue that nobody shows you, that nobody talks about, that it is stripped bare of any form of landscaping. It is actually used as a parking lot for overflow to Morgan Maumela or maybe his security, but you can tell that the grounds there are used quite often and hence the greenery just doesn't grow there. But anyway, let's take a walk down Oxford Avenue, shall we? It's a sunny day anyway. Do you recognize anything? Just look at that. Look at that gate. Hmm? Take a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we'll get inside the property. Hold the line, hold the line. Right now, we want to talk about the outside, most especially about taking a walk. It's very important and it's quite healthy for all of us to take a walk. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I am here to take a walk with you guys on Oxford Drive. It's quite an essential service. It's so essential. So, guys, we're going to wear all black. Yes, we are in mourning for the atrocities at Tembisa Hospital. I've seen your comments. I've seen people come to say, yeah, my dad died at Tembisa Hospital. I was treated in this manner at Tembisa Hospital. And there's the public story, which is the man who died at Tembisa Hospital after going without food for 48 hours. Not only did they starve him, or there was no food to give him, but that he was in a ward with corpses. All these stories are just heartbreaking, and I believe there's so many more stories. Please do not stop sharing your stories. I want to create a series on TikTok or maybe over here as well. We'll see how it goes, so that the memories of your loved ones do not go unnoticed just because they did not have Lamborghinis, just because they did not live at number 25A Oxford Road. Anyway, before I start to digress, I want us to take a walk now that we're all dressed in black. Let us take a walk at number 25A Oxford Road. If you're asking yourself, why does she keep on mentioning the address? That, ladies and gentlemen, is where Morgan Maumela lives. And by lives, I mean before the home has been captured. Yeah, we're going to call it captured. Captured to refund or just try and make just a little bit of coins out of the billions that was looted from Tembisa Hospital. Billions that could have made healthcare a much more pleasant stay, could have saved lives, could have made the hospital visits more comfortable, also could have made the work environment for the staff at Tembisa Hospital, shout out to them, not the corrupt ones, not the ones that approve the tenders, no, the ones that are there on a daily basis working in those terrible conditions with limited supplies, shortages, and dun dun dun. Basically, anyway, who is Morgan Maumela if you're still asking yourself, what is it about that name? Well, once upon a time, Cyril Ramaphosa was married to another woman in a previous marriage. Um, Cyril Ramaphosa has been asked multiple times if he is related to Morgan Maumela, and he always says, I don't know who that is. I don't, never heard of the guy. Never heard of him. Guys, he went from never heard from him, don't know him. I don't know why you guys keep pushing this agenda. That was my previous marriage. I'm now in my new marriage, happily married, okay? I don't know those people no more. And I definitely don't associate with them. And they definitely do not benefit from close proximity to me. See the word proximity? Underline it. Yeah. So we're over here at Oxford Road. And this, ladies and gentlemen, I've taken all this time for you to get familiar with Oxford Road, what it looks like, what Maumela's side of Oxford Road looks like, what the wall looks like. Does Morgan Maumela strike you as a man who would want what he has replicated at another property? He strikes me as a man who everything is one of a kind. Don't believe me? Look at his Lamborghini collection. Okay, it's all blue. Okay, I imagine it's a specific blue. I imagine whoever mixes the blues at the Lamborghini department has to make a special blue just for him so that his blues are very signature aligned and nobody else has them. That's the kind of things you want when you have looted money. You suddenly want you suddenly have an obsession with blue. Anyway, before I get upset, this story is very upsetting for me, guys, especially with all the stories you guys have been sharing in my DMs about your family members and their experiences. I'm not gonna lie, it's heartbreaking. And also, of course, let's not forget Babita Dekoran. May her soul rest in peace. She's the one who tried to tried to tell somebody, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. She tried to tell a boss. Instead, she lies 6 feet under for her bravery, for just doing her job. But anyway, who is that? If you are just wondering, does that not look like huh, President Cyril Ramaphosa? All protocol observed, of course, of course. I just want that to sink in. Let's watch this together. I'm going to watch in silence. It's very few times, guys, that I'm speechless. But I want you to know there's something called the Internet FBI Department. It's over there on Twitter. There's also the CIA Department on Instagram. FBI. And then you definitely have, I think it's the Naval SEALs. You also have the Naval SEALs over there on TikTok. Then you have Interpol. Okay? Interpol on the YouTube streets. Let me tell you, these social media investigators, they understand the saying, the internet never forgets. I don't know who to give credit to for this video for finding it and bringing it back to the forefront. Shout out to you. The video was posted on Tebow something. Okay. At this point, doesn't matter. The focus is Cyril Ramaphosa. That's who the focus is. I'm just going to let you see that this is definitely 25A Oxford Drive. We've taken a walk at the beginning of the video. If you don't believe me, just hit the rewind button, watch it again, get to this point, and then in the comment section, I want you to just type, yes, that's Cyril Ramaphosa. Let's just type it, okay? Let's make it trend. And then once you're done, also share this video so that more and more people know that when Senzo Mchunu said he doesn't know Brown Mahotsi, he learned from the best. And that's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. And speaking of learning from the best, you do know that KT Molefe is out and about. Do you guys know that? But before I even digress to go to KT Molefe, actually I'll do that on a separate video. How about we go inside Maumela's home? How about we take a walk through Maumela's, someone called it a palace in the comment section because I was saying in my previous video, I don't know what to call it. Someone typed in the comment section and they said, I cannot believe it. I drive past that building almost on a daily basis. I thought it was an office building. Yeah, they fooled us. Anyway, let's go inside, shall we? Through the front door, of course. Yeah. We're not going undercover. Through the front door. Shout out to the SIU for this video. Full credit.
You don't need to come to me. You come to me. You come to me. How are you, my brother?
Yeah.
I'll give you some love. I love you. I'll give you some love.
I love you.
How are you? No better cameraman in the world.
Let me tell you.
Yes. So, I mean, if you say it's beautiful.
Welcome. Yes. No, never mind the art sculptures all over the place. They're custom for the property. We wanted a lot of windows just so we could look out into the pool at any given angle of the home. So it's a very open plan. And we are very strict with the color blue here. The color blue is really an essential service. This is just one of our many bathrooms. This is the main master bedroom. You can see I need a whole living room in there. Of course, I have a walk-in closet. Like, what do you mean? This is our custom cinema. Yes, it's very different from when it was on top billing because we got to do changes here and there. We can't keep everything looking similar. This is our kitchen. We did some changes again. This artwork, don't believe me, it's very expensive. Okay, the SIU has captured it, trying to make a quick buck back after the Tembisa looting. And then the kitchen, as you can see, here it goes. Of course, I need 465 equipments so that I can continue to exercise. Of course, it's got to be entirely glass, okay, no windows. Oh, don't forget my Lamborghini collection. It is everything to me. It's a very, very specific kind of blue. And they're putting it in a truck. Is the truck even qualified to have this kind of vehicle in there? How could they do this to me? But this is a panoramic view. Just look all around. It's very glassed, okay? It's got to show signs of South Africa. This is the land. I had to purchase the land next door. Yeah, the land at number 41 Killarney Road. Yeah, yeah. So let me just give you a little bit of numbers. Numbers never lie. Okay. Men lie, women lie, Gulugujus lie, tender looters loot. But numbers never lie. Let me tell you the numbers game. This is credit to Ask Ash the broker, and she wrote, "Here is what you need to know when it comes to the price paid for Hangwani Maumela's Sandton mansion." That's not a mansion, okay? That's a brick and mortar representation of looting. That was raided by the SIU earlier this morning during the Tembisa hospital capture investigation. I did a quick search on the deeds office, and from the aerial shots of the property, it looks like two properties were combined to build this Gulugudu land, okay? The first one is 25 Oxford Avenue, Sandton, Johannesburg. Yeah, let's pause for a moment. And it has a registered size of 2,689 square meters. And the purchase price was, drum roll, da 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 da, 70 million rands. Yes. Yeah. This is before what you see now. Okay, that's just at the time of purchase. You do know they did extensive renovations. I imagine everything was imported. Nothing was acquired locally except the looted money from Tembisa Hospital. The property was purchased by the MHR Maumela Family Trust on the 5th of July 2021. I'm going to do some research, but I want to know Babita Decoran. What? She passed away in 2021, yeah? What is the date of unaliving? I'll let you guys let me know in the comment section down below. The second property, 41 Killarney Road, Sandton, has a registered the second property is huge. 6,547 square meters, and the purchase price was just a mere 16 million rands. Oh, what was the difference in those two properties? The municipal evaluations weren't available to view. Of course not. Yeah. Of course not. I'm sure somebody is paid a whole lot to guard those numbers under lock and key. But basically, ladies and gentlemen, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Please remember to like, okay? By liking this video, you're making sure that more and more people see the Tembisa money looting results. And more people also see the president, yeah, over there on Oxford Road Avenue, Dun. Yeah. I mean, every time the president leaves the country, something drops. I don't know what it is. It's got to do with him leaving. It's like people are at the airport saying, "Yeah, he's gone. Take off. Let's get it. We've got a couple of hours to get this operation going." But with that said, I'm going to end this video right here. Please remember to like, to comment, to subscribe. Your support means the world to me. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers, and we can only get there with your support. I highly appreciate you. Don't forget to check in with loved ones, check in how they're doing. If they're giving them good tendencies, if they look like, all of a sudden they like the color blue, and all of a sudden you've never seen them go to work, but they have a lot of Lamborghinis, just, just do a little audit on behalf of the nation, because I think it's been accepting a lot just because, and benefiting. I think some people are benefiting, especially Instagram baddies. Yeah, you know what? I don't want to go on a rant because this was overwhelming. This was overwhelming. All this while Maumela sat in the hot seat. No, he wasn't in a hot seat today. That was charcoal grilling. All charcoals were roasting him. But he sat there and took it in like a man. I'm going to do separate videos on my reaction of that because, yeah, Parliament needs to stop with the drama. You failed the country. Nothing you say or do is going to change that. With that, ladies and gentlemen, remember when I said the Madlanga Commission is a private school? Yeah. They've closed the gates. They've closed the gates. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. You will never be seeing anything else. Because why? Hmm. Anyway, we'll leave it at that. I'm going to end this here. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.